One missing audit trail, one misunderstood signature, that's all it takes for the FDA or the MHRA to shut down your entire production line. Most pharmaceutical professionals in the US and the UK think they understand 21 CFR Part 11. But honestly, 90% of the 483 observations we see in 2026 prove they don't. Today we're exposing the 5 dangerous misunderstandings that are putting your career and your company at risk. Let's get into it. 5 dangerous misunderstandings. Welcome back to Pharmalytics, your global hub for data-driven compliance. Whether you're operating in the tech hubs of Canada, the manufacturing plants of Australia, or the legacy labs of the US and UK, Part 11 is the universal language of data integrity. But in the era of AI and cloud-native systems, the old rules have new teeth. If you want to stay ahead of the auditors this year, you need to unlearn these 5 myths. Myth 1. Digital signatures are mandatory. The breakdown. The biggest shock for newcomers? Part 11 doesn't actually require digital signatures. It accepts electronic signatures, which can be as simple as a secure username and password combo or even biometrics. A digital signature is just one type of high-level encryption. So, don't overcomplicate your SOPs before you have to. Myth 2. Validation equals compliance. The breakdown. In 2026, a validated system is just the entry ticket. Compliance is a living equation. Validation plus audit trails, plus access control, plus record protection. If your system is validated but your operators share passwords, your compliance score is 0. Myth 3. Audit trails are only for critical data. The breakdown. Auditors in the UK and Australia are, honestly, getting more and more strict on this point. Audit trails are required for all regulated activities, no matter what. You need the 4 W's, who, what, when, and why, for every single entry, from the raw lab data all the way to the final release signature. No exceptions. Myth 4. I'll just print the record. The breakdown here is, well, this isn't 1995, you really cannot print your way into compliance anymore. 21 CFR Part 11 requires integrity and traceability right within the electronic system itself. If your digital record isn't secure, your paper printout is honestly just a piece of trash in the eyes of an inspector. Myth 5. It's an IT problem. The breakdown. If your QA team thinks Part 11 belongs to IT, you're already in trouble. It's a team effort, plain and simple. From system owners to end users, everyone is a custodian of data integrity. In 2026, the silo approach is honestly the fastest way to get a warning letter. Compliance isn't about just checking a box, it's really about protecting the patient at the end of the supply chain. If you found these insights helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Pharmalytics community. We're dropping a deep dive masterclass on AI-driven data integrity next week. You definitely don't want to miss it. Check out our Pharma Compliance 101 playlist right here, and I'll see you in the next video.